Hey everybody, it's Jem and Jess, and thank you again for watching. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I just wanted to take a minute and tell everybody who subscribed or even who has watched any of my videos that I truly, truly appreciate you and am so grateful for all of you. Thank you so much. Again, I'm going to be putting my Instagram in the description box. Please follow me if you have one. And also, if you have a diamond painting channel, please let me know in the comments so I can subscribe to your channel, because whoever shows support for me, I would love to do it right back. This is a post review for Summer Flowers by Lioba Bruckner from DiyMoonshop. It's a 30 by 40 centimeter rounds, and on DiyMoonshop's website they have options to get a special treatment for most of the paintings. I got a special treatment version 3 for this painting. It is extra, of course, if you do order it. This painting was $38. With this version 3 special treatment, it was $20 extra, plus $25.26 shipping, which was in total $83.26. So it was pretty costly, but totally worth it. It came out beautiful in my opinion. I ordered this September 1st and received it October 23rd. So really it was only about not even 2 months, which is fine by me. I mean, that is actually pretty quick for them, at least in my experiences. So I was stoked on that. The special treatment version 3 came with these drills. Let me see, I'll show you right quick. The pink, gold, and blue. No, they're not AB. They're actual, like, they look like crystals, like Swarovski crystals almost. Well, maybe not Swarovski, but might as well be. I mean, they're so gorgeous and they shine so brightly. I got electric, the blue sapphire, I believe, and gold. As you can see, like the gold's right here, and then the blue's like in the background, and then pink in the flowers. And this is the end result. I have no complaints. Great quality canvas, great quality drills. I did have quite a bit of trash, but as long as I don't run out of drills, I really don't care, you know. I've had worse, definitely way worse. So I just want to show you guys the finished product real quick so you guys could see in case you're interested in getting it. I will also put the link to this painting in the description box as well in case you're interested in getting it. Again, thank you for watching, and I appreciate everyone for watching this and hope everyone has a great day. Bye guys.